Ready to start your future at iACADEMY? Here's a step-by-step guide to our easy application process. First, head over to our website at www.iacademy.edu.ph. Then, click on Apply. Select your desired campus and level that you are applying for. You will be redirected to iACADEMY's application form. First, select the term you're applying to. Next, select whether you're a freshman, second degree, or transferee applicant. Now, choose the top 3 programs that you're applying for. Next, fill out the basic information. Then, add your contact information. And your parents' information. Don't forget to select one as your primary contact. Next, enter your educational background. If you can't find your school in the drop-down list, you may register your school by selecting Not on the List, and a new field will appear below so you can type your school details. For junior high school applicants, enter your Learning Reference Number, or LRN. Answer the additional information. Then, let us know how you found out about iACADEMY by selecting all that applies. Lastly, select the best time to contact you regarding the status of your application. Once you've read iACADEMY's privacy policy, check the box and click Submit to finish your application. You will be asked to upload your 2x2 photo, NSO or PSA-issued birth certificate, and school ID for students, or any government ID for second-degree applicants. After successfully submitting your application and documents, you will have to wait for a confirmation email from our admissions team with instructions on how to proceed to the next step. It's that simple. Start your journey at iACADEMY today, where creativity meets capability. Apply now and enjoy a 10% discount on your tuition fee when you reserve today until October 31st, 2024.